Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will find out the best payroll for part-time teams by comparing Paychex versus Square Payroll. If you're looking for the best payroll for part-time teams in 2025, then watch this video till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads. And let's get into this. Paychex Flex offers a comprehensive suite of HR solutions aimed at simplifying payroll and HR management for businesses of all sizes. Its primary focus is on reducing complexity and enhancing accuracy, making it a preferred choice for many organizations. It automates payroll calculations, tax filings, and wage garnishments, ensures up-to-date tax rates and regulatory information, provides employees with secure access to their pay stubs, tax forms, and benefits information, includes tools for benefits administration, employee onboarding, and performance management, integrates time-tracking solutions to streamline payroll processing, offers full-featured mobile applications for both employers and employees, and contains advanced analytics and customizable reports for data-driven decision-making. Square Payroll is designed to cater to small businesses seeking a reliable and easy-to-use payroll solution. Its focus is on simplicity and efficiency, making it a great choice for businesses with limited HR resources. It streamlines payroll calculations and tax filings, ensures automatic payroll tax calculations and filings, allows employees to manage their payroll information, tax forms, and benefits, seamlessly integrates with time-tracking solutions to simplify payroll processing, enables payments to both employees and contractors, accesses and manage payroll from anywhere using the mobile app, also integrates with benefits providers to simplify benefits administration. While Paychex Flex and Square Payroll share several similarities, they also have distinct differences. Paychex Flex offers a broader range of HR administration tools, such as benefits administration, employee onboarding, and performance management, which are not found in Square Payroll. Paychex Flex also provides advanced reporting and analytics features, offering more in-depth insights for data-driven decision-making. On the other hand, Square Payroll excels in simplicity and ease of use, making it particularly suitable for small businesses. It also offers contractor payment capabilities, which can be valuable for businesses that work with both employees and independent contractors. In comparing Paychex Flex and Square Payroll, it's clear that each tool is designed to meet different needs and business sizes. Through that basic one-on-one comparison, you can easily choose what suits you the best. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.